Hey everybody, Gina here. So today I will be doing a ring pour in all metallics for the August acrylic pouring challenge for Go Make Some Art on Facebook, which is our group, which you should join because it's awesome. Lots of very cool people, very talented, and lots of inspiration and good advice, and no shenanigans. So, the bad shenanigans anyway. So the colors that we have today are all Artist Loft. I have metallic purple, metallic black, old gold, silver, and metallic white. I mixed them 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and I did add a little bit of the decoart pouring medium to maybe cut down on some cells. We'll see what happens. So, let's put some paint in a cup. I did mix up some plain black to use as a background. Metallics as a background, they're so thick that the paint doesn't want to glide over it. It may be the mica that's in the paint that causes some friction. So let's see. I will start with a bit of white. Silver. Purple. Actually, let me do a bit more purple there. Gold. And the metallic black. And a repeat. This is a 14 by 14 canvas, and so that would be about 7 ounces of paint. Sorry if that was off camera. Okay, that is 7. I will just add a touch more of the black. And let's put down a bit of a base coat to give our paint something to slide around upon which to slide. Just a little note regarding mixing your metallics. I usually put a little bit of my pouring medium in my cup first, just enough to cover the bottom, and then I add the paint and I mix that together. And what that does is help keep your paint from sticking to the bottom of the cup, But also metallics can get lumpy if you add too much pouring medium at once. So by adding a little bit to it at first, it gets incorporated and then you can add the rest. If you do wind up having it get lumpy, just let it sit for a while. Sometimes it can be 20 minutes, sometimes it might be 3 hours, but if you let it sit, it will reincorporate. Okay, let's pour some paint. Oh no, shaky hand. Ah, poop. All right. Not enough coffee this morning. Let's do something about this before we tilt. I have a feeling I know what's going to be tilted off. One of the benefits of using too much paint is that you can control your composition a little bit more. You have something to play with. And I still have a good bit of paint left in here, unfortunately. But it started coming out a little wonky. So, actually let me torch. I do see some cells. Any Floetrol at all gives me cells. I may redo this with just the decoart pouring medium. Okay, I'm going to go in this direction first. When you lay down a base coat, it's good for your base coat to be a little thinner than the paint that you are pouring. If it is thicker, it can fight back and push against your paint and give you wiggly lines on your edges. Recenter your paint before changing direction. That will help you maintain your composition. And goodbye to the squiggles. I'm not having it. I also want to stretch this top part out because I think that's the coolest part of the piece. Alright, well that has an interesting look. I'm not going to torch this because I don't want any more cells popping up. They're probably going to happen anyway, but I will clean up and bring you in for a close-up. Alrighty, here it is. Baltimore Ravens colors. Don't think I didn't know. It's all metallics except for the black background. It does have some sparkle, which of course does not come across on the phone. Okay, there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Go make some art.